Dreaming of that perfect cruise getaway? Before you set sail, you need to know that some foods on board could sink your vacation faster than the Titanic. Welcome back to CruiseAdventures. Today, we're your trusty first mates, guiding you through the treacherous waters of cruise ship dining. A dream vacation can quickly turn into a nightmare if you re-stuck in your cabin with an upset stomach. So we've compiled a list of 10 foods you might want to skip to ensure smooth sailing. Let's dive right in. First on our list, buffet sushi and raw seafood. While that colorful sushi roll looks tempting, buffets are a tricky environment. Sushi needs to be kept at a precise cold temperature to prevent bacteria from multiplying. On a busy buffet line with food sitting out under heat lamps and hundreds of people passing by, it's hard to guarantee it's been stored perfectly. The risk of foodborne illness from improperly handled raw fish is just too high to gamble with on your vacation. Instead, if you're craving sushi, seek out the specialty Japanese restaurant on your ship. There, it's made to order by trained chefs, ensuring it's fresh, safe, and delicious. It might cost a little extra, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Next up, let's talk about pre-made salads, especially those with creamy dressings like potato salad or coleslaw. Similar to sushi, these dishes can be a breeding ground for bacteria if not kept consistently chilled. Mayonnaise-based dressings are particularly notorious. Think about it. A large bowl sits on the buffet, people are serving themselves, and the container is constantly being opened and closed. This temperature fluctuation is risky. For a safer, healthier alternative, head to the make-your-own salad bar. You can pile on fresh greens, crisp vegetables, and choose a simple vinaigrette. This way, you control the ingredients and know they haven't been sitting out in a creamy sauce for hours. Number 3 is a surprising one for many: tap water. While cruise ships have advanced water filtration systems and the water is generally safe to drink, it can have a different mineral content and treatment process than what you're used to at home. For some people, this change can cause minor stomach upset or digestive issues. Why risk it? To stay hydrated without any worries, stick to bottled water. You can usually purchase a water package before your cruise or buy bottles on board. Bringing your own reusable water bottle is also a great idea. You can fill it up with bottled water and take it with you on shore excursions. Coming in at number 4 are communal condiments and sauces. Those big pumps of ketchup or shared jars of mustard on the buffet line. Think about how many hands have touched them. Cross-contamination is a real concern on a cruise ship, where germs can spread quickly. It's impossible to know if the person before you washed their hands. Instead, opt for single-serving packets of your favorite condiments. They're sealed, sanitary, and a much safer bet. If packets aren't available, try to get your sauces from a station attended by a crew member who is serving them directly. At number 5, we have soft-serve ice cream machines. I know, this one hurts. Who doesn't love a free swirly cone of ice cream? The problem isn't the ice cream itself, but the machine. These machines can be difficult to clean thoroughly, making them potential hotspots for bacteria like Listeria if not maintained to the highest standards. Plus, the handles are touched by countless people throughout the day, including kids who might not have the best hygiene. A safer indulgence is the hand-scooped ice cream often available at dessert stations or specialty shops on board. It's served by a crew member using a clean scoop, minimizing your risk. Let's move on to number 6, undercooked eggs. Whether you like them sunny side up or over easy, runny yolks can carry a risk of salmonella. On a cruise where kitchens are preparing thousands of meals, it's best to err on the side of caution. Salmonella can cause severe stomach cramps and ruin several days of your trip. To be safe, always order your eggs well cooked. Scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, or a fully cooked omelet from the made-to-order station are excellent and safe choices to start your day. Number 7 on our list is any food that looks like it's been sitting out for a long time. This is a general rule of thumb for any buffet, but it's especially important on a cruise. Use your judgment. Does the pizza look dry and tired? Has the pasta congealed? Is there a film on top of the soup? If a dish doesn't look fresh and appetizing, it probably isn't. Your best bet is to watch for the staff to bring out a fresh tray of food. That's your signal to head to that station. Timing is everything at the buffet. Next, at number 8, we have unpasteurized dairy and juices. Most major cruise lines use pasteurized products, but it's something to be aware of, especially on smaller or more regional cruise lines, or when you're in port. Unpasteurized products, sometimes labeled as raw milk or fresh squeezed juice, can contain harmful bacteria. Always check the labels or ask a crew member if you're unsure. Stick to products that are clearly marked as pasteurized to avoid any potential health issues. Number 9 is for all the adventurers. Exotic or unfamiliar foods in port. Trying local cuisine is one of the joys of travel, but your shore excursions are not the time to be overly daring with your stomach, especially with street food. You don't know the local hygiene standards or how your body will react to new ingredients and preparation methods. Getting sick in a foreign country is a stressful experience. If you want to try local dishes, do your research beforehand and choose a reputable, well-reviewed restaurant instead of a random street vendor. Or, even better, look for cruise-sponsored culinary excursions. Finally, at number 10, be cautious with alcoholic drinks that are heavy on cream or fruit. Think pina coladas or creamy dessert cocktails. The dairy can be an issue if it's not fresh, and sugary, blended fruit drinks can sometimes be made with syrups and mixes rather than fresh fruit. More importantly, overindulging in sugary, heavy drinks, especially in the hot sun, can lead to dehydration, stomach upset, and a nasty hangover, all of which can feel a lot like seasickness. If you're going to enjoy a cocktail, maybe opt for something simpler, like a spirit with soda water and a lime, or a glass of wine. And always drink plenty of water alongside any alcoholic beverages. So there you have it, 10 foods to approach with caution on your next cruise. The key is to be mindful, make smart choices, and prioritize your health. Your vacation is precious, and the last thing you want is to spend it feeling unwell. By sticking to freshly prepared foods, made-to-order stations, and bottled water, you'll be well on your way to a happy and healthy journey on the high seas. Thanks for watching Cruise Adventures. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cruise tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments what food you always avoid on a cruise. Until next time, happy and safe sailing.